So, we're we got some snow today, and I guess they're having some problems over here with the water, the sewers. So they are cleaning them out. Before it was really bad. I couldn't see out the window. It's not so bad now. I mean, for window-wise. But I was going to do a video, and it was all splashed up the window. The snow, I'm like, oh my gosh. I turned around, and I was talking to Sky. Then I turned back around, and everything was white. And I'm like, oh my. That came down so fast. I'll try not to shake, because I don't like it when I shake for people to watch. Like, I have the camera up on Kleenex boxes so that I don't shake. If I move it up here this way, you'll see way over there, it is so socked in. And I'm hoping that CC spells that right. Because when I say socked, S-O-C-K-E-D, it doesn't say that word right. When it prints it out, it does not say that. You can see it's really over there. That was the Humber River way over there. And beyond that is the airport. And you can't even see over there right now. So I'm going to bring it back down here. Maybe I can turn it just a tiny bit. Just so, like that. Unfortunately, there is a little bit of snow on my window. But you can see the flakes going by. And they're really tiny flakes, but, well, maybe not. I was just having a nap and I said, oh, I gotta go see outside what's going on. I get up, come on here, okay. The window's not so bad now. It's not all covered in water. Well, it's not water, it's snow, right? But, yeah. So I guess they're having some problem over there with the water. Whoops, sorry, people. I'm sorry, my hand has slid. Uh-oh. All the Kleenex boxes are sliding. That's what happens if you just have them all loose. Huh? Sorry about that. All the sidewalks, everything is covered in snow. I'll just bring it down here so I can see a little bit of him. There. We're not getting as much snow as Wisconsin is. There was one person saying they're going to get 2 to 3 feet on Sunday, and they just got 10 inches now, today. So that was on Brownsville site that I was on, the Deer Pantry. There was one person on there saying that. And also Carolina. Carolina. She's in Wisconsin. And she was saying they got a whole bunch of snow. And there was people out with their snow plows and snow blowers. Let's turn it back here. Boy, my hand wants to turn that, eh? My hand wants to take the camera and just spin it right around. Because every time I bring it back here, my hand's saying, no, 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 no. We're going to take you right back over where you were. I was hoping to do a video today. Even if it's a short one, but yeah. I just hope everybody stays safe. Spring is not here. Winter is not over yet. And my hand just keeps spinning that back. I'm just going to drag it right back over here. Drag it back over there. Till my hand just says, no, you want to go this way. Maybe I should get one of them gimbal things, eh? Yeah, I think a gimbal would be good, but then I'd have to tie it to something or latch it down. Not so it's in my hand. I could just see my hand shaking and shaking the gimbal all over the place. That would not be cool. I'll give a shout out to Dave in Bangor, Maine. I wanted to watch a couple of his videos, but I was unable to. Sorry about that. And also give a shout out. Oh.